Hi, Erin. This is Samantha from Feed Me Leads. I reached out yesterday and I told you that I was going to be sending you out the screencast, and so here it is. I'm going to keep it really short and sweet. I just want to go through your site really quickly, one of your top competitor sites really quickly, and then I'm going to give you 3 ways that you can use today for free to start bringing in more traffic to your site. And so I send these screencasts out, and once people see what I do, how I do it, and how much work is put into it, that they want to team up. So if you watch this through and feel the same, please do not hesitate to reach out. But without further ado, let's get into it. And so right here I am on your home page, which looks really good. It's always good to have good ratings on the home page like you have right here. But one thing I will say is that you guys don't seem to have a lot of content on here. And so Google's going to be ranking your site based off of around 200 different things. One of those key things is going to be content. And so you want to have around 1,000 to 1,500 words on this homepage. I actually did a word search. You guys have 577. So we definitely want to get that content up, and we want it to be good quality educational content. Google's going to come through and they're going to read this and they're going to deem whether or not your content has all the information or the services that are easily found by their users. So definitely want more content, and we also want that content to have a good amount of high volume keywords in there as well. That way we can get you found for all the right things. So right here I am on Google. A good example of a keyword that I'll be using for this video today is mold remediation Raleigh NC. This is a good keyword. It has a lot of buyer's intent, and it brings in around 250 searches per month. So if you were to able to convert just a few of these into customers every month, that would be really good, especially just for one keyword. And so right here under that, we would usually see Google ads. There's none popping up right now, but Google ads are actually a really good way to get your name out there, get some brand recognition while you're waiting for your SEO to warm up, especially if you know what you're doing. However, if you don't, you could actually waste a lot of money on these, but they're a good way to get some customers through the door really quickly. And so underneath where the ads usually are, we have our Google Map Pack. And so this is a good place to be. Gets you right at the top of the page. And in order to do that, you now have to be in the top 3 spot right here. They changed it from top 5 about a year ago. They switched up the algorithm. But to get in this top 3, you basically have to have the best and the most citations. And so a citation is when your business is listed on a local directory online. So think Yelp, think Yellow Pages, think Yext. Those are all good examples of high-powered, highly trusted, highly used directories. And so you want to be listed on websites like those, and you want to be listed on more of them than these 3 businesses here. And below that, we have our organic search results. And so these are by far the most important. Google has come out and said that over 70% of people, when they type something in, they're actually going to be clicking on one of these. And it's almost always going to be one of the ones at the top of the first page. So right here, this is the first business site that comes up for this keyword. Take a look at this site. And so as you can see, they actually don't have very much content either. They only have 834 words, so not even up to Google standards. So it'd be extremely easy to beat. But also, let's take note really quick that they also have bolded and are making good use of high-powered, high-volume keywords. So we definitely want to do that for your site. But the main way that you're going to get up here in these organic search results is going to be through backlinks. And so the internet is basically just made up of websites linking websites, businesses linking businesses. So we want to have local, high-powered, relevant businesses linking your site, which is a backlink. So we want local construction companies or plumbing companies, real estate agents to give backlinks out to your site. So basically just have their site linking to yours. Over here, I am on Ahrefs.com. So Ahrefs.com is really great. If you ever try and do this on your own, I highly suggest this tool. It costs around $400 a month, so it's a little pricey, but it gives a lot of good information. And so right here, I'm pulling up the same website we were just on before. We can see they have a little over 1,000 backlinks from 125 domains and are going for almost 1,000 keywords. So here I clicked on the keywords. To the left here, we can see all of the keywords that they're ranking for, and there's obviously a lot of them. And we can see how many people search for that keyword per month. We can see how much traffic they get from that one keyword and what position they hold for that keyword on Google. And so we can kind of go through there and see all of the best buyer intent keywords with the highest volume, bringing the most traffic, and we can decide which ones would be good for your website. And so the same way we just looked through the keywords, we can actually go through the backlinks as well. And so here we can do the same thing, kind of pick and choose the best ones. And you can tell which ones are good by which ones have a high DR or domain rating. It goes from 1 to 100. And so the number to beat in this instance is 921, which is very doable. But also keep in mind that this is just one competitor for one keyword for one of the services that you guys provide. So we want to be able to beat out all of your competition for all of the services, all the keywords, and in all the areas that you give those services. So really quickly, we'll look at you guys. Right now, you guys have 5 backlinks from 5 websites and 22 different keywords. And so as you can see here, we could definitely use some more keywords. We could definitely use some more backlinks. So I think if you guys were to utilize the things that we talked about today, it would do wonders for you. To kind of recap what those were, just number 1, more content, more educational quality content with the right keywords. Number 2, more citations to get you on the map pack. And then number 3, more relevant, high-powered backlinks. And so that's basically what I have for you for today. Hopefully you learned something from this and enjoyed it. If you're interested in getting to know more or possibly teaming up, please reach out. You can email me back or you can give me a call. My number is 714-975-5909. So thank you for watching.